Hello everybody! In this video, I want to show you how to prepare a simple Chinese cabbage stir-fry. You can complete this recipe in less than 30 minutes. And you only require cabbage, few cloves of garlic, some dry shrimp that you can get it from any Asian grocery store, and season with fish sauce. It is an ideal side dish, especially when you are running short of time and looking for something that is quick and easy. Let me show you how to prepare this cabbage stir-fry in this video. I'm 𝐬𝐭𝐢𝐫. Thanks for joining me. Rinse the dry shrimp thoroughly. Rehydrate it in water, which will take about 10 to 15 minutes. Peel and bash the garlic, and then coarsely chop. Remove the stalk of the cabbage. Cut through the layer of the compact leaves into large cabbage pieces about 5 cm squares. Soak the glass noodles in hot water for 15 minutes, then drain. Heat some cooking oil in the wok. Saute the dry shrimp over medium heat for about 1 minute. Then add the garlic and continue saute until aromatic. Add some dry chili or chili flakes if you like it spicy. Now add the cabbage. Turn to high heat to stir fry. It will take about 5 minutes before the cabbage turns tender crisp. Add the fish sauce to season the cabbage. Lastly, add the grass noodles. Give it a few quick stirs and dish out. That's how I prepare the cabbage stir-fry with garlic and dry shrimp. If you want to get the recipe, I have included it in the description right below the video. And if you like this recipe, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and give me a like. And I'll see you again in other videos on this channel in the future. Bye for now.